They say location is everything, and trust me, you can't beat this one. Let me show you a home that's a real winner. Welcome to 138 Back T Circle, located in Legend Oaks Plantation, where you get gorgeous homes, tree-lined streets, and some seriously great amenities. As you step inside, you'll love the vaulted ceilings, the beautiful wood floors, and look at all of this natural light. This living room is spacious and cozy with the fireplace and the built-ins. It's perfect for a movie night, entertaining, or just a quiet evening in. And check out this kitchen, the granite countertops, plenty of cabinet space, and a functional layout that is perfect for cooking or just ordering in. Plus, I love this bay window. It would be perfect for a reading nook or even a morning coffee spot. Upstairs, this house has 4 bedrooms plus 2 full bathrooms. So if you need space for guests, a home office, or maybe just a killer workout room, this house has plenty of room to grow. And the backyard is perfect for entertaining or relaxation. This one won't last long. Don't miss your shot like I did. Contact me today for your own private tour.